Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the type of RAM, DDR3 or DDR4 on your PC, as well as the amount and speed. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So finding out which type of RAM you have on your computer, DDR3 or DDR4, is very easy. The first thing we're going to check, however, is the amount and the speed with the default applications on your Windows 10 PC. So on this screen here, let's go to the bottom left side of the screen and go to the search icon and type in Task Manager, and it should populate in the upper left hand side under Best Matches. Let's go to this application, make this full screen. Now under Processes, let's go over one tab to Performance. Then we're going to see CPU. Let's go down to Memory. Then on the upper right hand side of the screen is going to give us the total amount of RAM we have on our PC. And if you have DDR3 memory, it should say on Windows 10 if you have that or not. Then on the bottom left hand side, we can see the speed of our RAM. I have 2,666 for my speed. However, on the screen, it may not show you the exact type of RAM you have installed in your PC. For that, we will need to open up Google, and we're going to have to download a application. So let's type in the search bar right here, CPUID. Press enter, and it should go to this website here, CPUID. Let's select this, and this is the address for the website. Now let's go to Windows. I'm going to go to English Setup. Otherwise, you can download the zip right here. And then let's go to download. So it's downloading in the bottom left hand side of the screen. Let's go to open and go through the installation guide here. And it's really quick and easy to go through this. Okay, so now that we went ahead and installed this program, we're going to be able to see exactly what type of memory we have installed on our PC. So under the tabs, let's go over to memory. And right away, it's going to say type DDR4. So using this program and the task manager, it's very easy to see what kind of memory you have on your computer, the type, the amount, and the speed. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help tips coming up next on YourSixStudios.